Hi everyone, in my last video I showed you my Filofax Personals setup that I use for an on-the-go planner, and in this video I'm going to show you my plum paper planner that is one I have set up for my work planner for my day job. This plum paper planner is actually an academic planner that I have gone through and kind of hacked the visual design for. I have whited out the labels that are up here and here, and then I have customized these labels over here because with plum paper planners you can actually indicate changes to labeling and things if you really want to. Since I work a Monday through Friday traditional sort of a work schedule during regular business hours, it works best for me to have a Monday through Friday weekly layout and then to change the different columns and the sections so that I can keep a running to-do list over here of things that are priority, things that I might need to go back to and follow up on, and then over here a small little box for things that I know need to be migrated forward to the next week. I will always put thin washi tape that goes here, and the reason why is because I actually divide up these two rows into AM and PM. I'm going to show you that in just a little bit when I show you some written on pages and stuff. And then these down here are compartmentalized for different areas of my work that I have to do. Over here I always highlight whatever week that I'm on, and you'll see this says May of 2019, and that's because since this is my work planner, I have to be really careful what I share because I will put phone numbers or people's names or addresses or any number of things on my work pages, so just for confidentiality purposes, I can show you some stuff, but not everything. Oh, and this little kind of dollar sticker, that is something that I sell in my sticker shop, and that just indicates that that's payday. Now let's take a look at actual planner pages, and I have blacked out some of the information, but I did want to show you what it looks like, a fully worked out double page spread of what my work planner pages look like after a finished work week. So this is from May of 2018, and here I didn't highlight it with a marker so much as I just highlighted it with a pink pen. But all of these redacted, blacked out marks and things are things that I did for Sharpie so that I could show you an actual work week. I usually track my work hours up here. This is some personal stuff sometimes. I use skinny washi tape, of course, to divide this up and put everything up here, things that are time sensitive, and then everything below that line is compartmentalized depending upon what area of work that it might belong to. So the way that it works is the stuff that's time sensitive, it goes vertically like this. And then the stuff that's compartmentalized, it goes horizontally like this. So then if I do need to work on something that's going to overflow to the next day, it's just right next door and I can draw a line in order to show a visual migration of that. Over here, of course, is the ongoing to-do list of stuff that I might have to do, and then this is business development stuff, but usually that's circle back stuff, but I just whited that out. I don't have anything here for next week because sometimes I don't end up using that box. It just ends up being too much information. So I might go back and highlight it, and then I'll know that anything's highlighted needs to go to the week coming after. Stickers, even some quote stickers and things, but it's very functional. It is color-coded, so if you follow my Instagram, it's Dearest Darling, it's the same name as this YouTube channel. You might recall that I always start with purple. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange. So for example, this right here that's yellow, that to me visually tells me that that's something that I need to prepare here on Wednesday in order for it to go out on Thursday. So because it's a little bit hard maybe to understand something that's all written up, and especially stuff that's scratched out, I have a double page spread set up with color-coded planner stickers so that you can have a better idea of what this looks like on like any given week. I use this section over here as a little bit of a personal section, so it can be helpful for me to have something visual like a grocery list that I might need to pick up things after work, so I'll just keep a running list there sometimes too, or a grocery list for meal planning if I have a little bit of time in the middle of my day, or I just need a little bit of a break from like the computer stuff. So that's why that's there. So here it's AM and PM, and then this is all time sensitive stuff. This right here, May 2019, since this is the week that comes before Memorial Day weekend, where I work, the day that comes before the long weekend will typically take a little bit of a half day. So I block this out with a decorative planner sticker. And I like using planner stickers, especially ones that are decorative and functional. So I just did these mini kits and put them in my Etsy shop. It's the same name as this YouTube channel. But I put a little bit of a pattern box there and then a label over top so that I can remember that this is going to be a half day, which means everything before that day, I need to get things done. I don't have an entire day to work through. So here's a little bit of a sample week. I do sometimes like to use foil stickers, but this is just from Michaels, and they're pretty cheap. They're kind of like cardstock foil, and the foil stickers are eye-catching, so it'll get my attention so that I can remember to do things that are very time sensitive. So for example, here this row is priority. This would be like relationships. It's just like a general kind of a category that I came up with. It seems like it would make sense for what I do when the pages are not blacked out. This would be for business development, like outside kind of business stuff, contract management, and budgeting stuff. On Fridays, I don't typically have to deal with contract stuff, so I put this funny sticker here that says the floor's responsibilities. This is also in my sticker shop. I like to have fun and funny little quotes. It just kind of keeps things lighthearted when things are stressful at work. So that's on the same sheet as this one. It says, only Judy can judge me. This up here, happiness is an inside job that goes along with my timesheet and stuff. I have to track my work hours and sometimes record them per whatever project or area of work that I'm doing. So that's why that's there. But this would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then again, everything that would be priority, almost like a top 3 list, would go here in this row, so that if this runs over into this, I can easily draw an arrow and just kind of migrate it. This here, digital detox on a Tuesday, I put that there as a priority because Mondays and into Tuesdays are very, very computer heavy for me. And so it helps for me to have a little bit of a reminder that I want to schedule in some time where I'm not on the computer so that it doesn't kind of like pluck my nerves and stress me out. This little thumbtack here is for me to just remember to go back and look in my email and tag and categorize any messages I might have and archive them. These are little email stickers here for me to think about the fact that sometimes the best time for me to send out an email is on a Monday morning, because then it's the top of someone's email inbox when they come into work, and then I can follow up at the end of the day just to make sure that they got it okay. On Wednesdays, near where I work, they have food trucks that will come. So sometimes that's a little bit of a treat. If it's in my budget, I can do that. Wednesdays might be a day when I have materials that were prepped and need to be delivered. Because they're time sensitive, it usually ends up that way. And then sometimes I might put personal stuff in here, like for example this little dog sticker that is representative of one of my dogs. Might need to do something like order and pick up dog food locally so that my dogs can be fed. This right here is just a washi strip or like a header label, and you know, even though this would be a header that would go up here, you can use it just to cross things out. If you don't want to bring washi tape with you, you can just bring like a sticker sheet. For example, like these right here, this would be like a washi strip or something. So you can still use sticker kits. These are very mini sticker kits just because I do white space planning and functional planning, but it can be nice to still use planner stickers. And again, since this is all color coded, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange. That's why that is an orange washi glitter sticker. Even this right over here is color coded because it's like orangish yellow, so that means it's from last week since it's close to the front end of the week. The pens I like to use are these here. They are called Pilot V5. Oh look, there's one of my cats because I'm filming this on the ground. This is a Pilot V5 and I have them in all different colors because it can be helpful for me to color code things for attention purposes or just to add emphasis. And then in the back of this planner I have meeting pages that look like this. And the great thing about plum paper planners is they have really, really useful productivity pages, kind of like this. You can get notebook pages, but because I do have meetings and things, and I can't show you, unfortunately, those pages that are kind of like written on, but it's really nice because there's a place for kind of everything that you would want to record and recall from a meeting. And so that's kind of a nice little bonus, and it even comes with a little laminated tab there. This planner layout has really worked well for me. Again, this is an academic planner that I've hacked to use for my day job. I'm probably going to get a plum paper planner again for my day job work next year because this has worked out so well for me. I like this actually better even than an Erin Condren because I like the paper than this one. The paper that Plum Paper Planner uses is very smooth, and since I do like to use planner stickers in a functional way, in a color-coded way, I can actually use permanent matte stickers, which is what I sell. Oh, I also sell repositionable matte in my Etsy shop, but I can use the permanent matte stickers in this planner, and because of the kind of paper this is, it's still easy to pull the stickers up if I need to. I don't need to use repositionable stickers. So that's what my work planner looks like, and I'll flip it back so that you can see what the actual pages of my day job stuff look like again. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I am going to try and do more videos. I've had people message me and leave comments and things about asking about how to do different types of planning, project planning, planner setup, prepping planner pages and inserts and things. So I'm trying to get things together and prioritize doing those videos for you all. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.